Here, there's a lot of stuff to buy here in Burnham Park, Baguio. They have here the silver jewelries, mga tali ng buhok, souvenirs. There's really a lot of food as well. Plenty of choices. Here. So nice. There are all different kinds of drinks, food. Maraming tao. But it's okay because it's still cold in Baguio despite the fact that the area is very much crowded. Here are jewelry, t-shirts, of course. Food, pizzas. There are a lot of options here. Talaga. You can feel that you are in a different place. That's Baguio. Ay, ang cute ng slippers. I'm planning to buy slippers later. Just finding unique styles of slippers for me to buy. Okay. Souvenirs as well. T-shirts. Magkano kaya ang t-shirt dito? Souvenir shirts. What else do we have? Yun ang mga native bags. Cool stuff. Mga handicrafts as well. Ayan, nagpunit ko ng sangkalan. I'm gonna buy this later. Nasira na yung aming sangkalan kasi. So, this is the end part. Let's try to go back. So, merong malaking signage dito. Breathe, Baguio. Definitely, if you are in Baguio, you can breathe. On this side naman, yan mga food stuff, souvenir. Maraming options. T-shirts, of course. Sandals. Bili ako ng sandals. Strawberries. Yeah, strawberries. Fresh strawberries. 100 pesos. I don't know if it's sweet now, but maybe we can try that later. Oh, yung cute ng bag na. Okay naman. So, mamaya na ako bibili ng mga souvenir kasi I'd like muna to look around. Of course, buy the best style or option. But yeah, definitely those kinds of slippers. I'm gonna grab one later. And of strawberries, of course. Yung mawawala yan. I'll buy that also later. So, grabe yung tao. Yeah, I think that's it for now. See you again guys later.